Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This is homemade cloud chamber to show the radioactive particles wave inside the chamber. It is very easy to design. As you can see, this layer is my LED layer. This is my radioactive particle immersion. Usually this is used for the smoke detectors. Very nice. It is collocated on the ion chamber because of we go to check the radioactive rays exactly right here, and we need some radioactive material here to visit this. Very well. I will remove the radioactive immersion. Here is for sponge, four side of this first level. It need isopropanol alcohol here, something like 15 milliliter is good enough. It need to inject with syringe if possible. And finally, the first step is the cooling part. It is covered with the tuner black ribbon exactly here, and this one, as you can see, is cold part, is an ice bank. As you can see, this is something like -3 centigrade degree. I will check it. As you can see, I will put the ice box here. It should be canned because of we need to keep exactly the cold here, the cold weather down, and the isopropanol alcohol gas going up, and the radioactive rays alpha, beta, and gamma exactly will be selectable with this color. As you can see, it needs a little bit play with the LEDs to find exactly ray detection with this project.